How to add a profile picture in WhatsApp on Android. First of all, you have to launch the WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Once here, tap on the three dots at the top right, then tap on settings. Once you get to your profile settings, now you have to tap on your profile icon at the top in front of your profile name. Now you will land in your profile page. Here, next to your profile image, there is a small camera icon. Tap on it. If you navigate at the bottom of this interface, there you get three options to choose from. Whether you want to take a picture from your camera, or if you want to upload an image from your gallery, or simply if you want to create your avatar on WhatsApp. Now, in order to add a profile picture from your gallery, tap on gallery. Then you have to choose a picture that you want to add as your profile picture. Now, if you want to add it by cropping the image, you can do with the help of this bar right here. Once done, tap on done. And with that, your profile picture has been added in your WhatsApp account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.